Good morning. Thought I'd change up the cup for you guys. I know that Han Solo one's one of my favorites. Getting ready to check my blood sugar. According to the patch here, I'm at a 191. So I've been kind of bouncing between there. I've been up for a couple hours, so I've been bouncing right around there. So I just want to double check it to make sure that that's what it is. Well, if you have the Libre, so what happens is sometimes with these continuous meters, and I've talked to others who have different, the other brand, Dexcom. So 184. So I know right now today, that's kind of where I've been bouncing. The high mid 180s to low 190s. It changes, so I'm okay with that. Now I know where I'm at, that that's pretty close. Anyway, so what I was saying about the Freestyle Libre 3, the Dexcom, you try to put them in the same spot. But there are times where you'll get it too far back or too far up or down or whatever, and it doesn't give you the same consistent reading. I've talked to people who have got the Dexcom that goes down on their belly, and they've noticed the same thing. So it's always good to double check your stick to digital. Kind of feeling kind of weird this morning. Yesterday I was out doing errands. I tried 6 different times to turn the camera on. I deleted probably 7 different intros. I had a rough day yesterday. It was just mentally exhausting. This extreme sadness was just balled up in my throat, strangling me. No matter what I did, it wasn't helping. 127 over 73. So, good there. So, I don't know what it was. Part of the depression, I would always write it off as it's just depression. It's fine. And go on with it. But those days I notice, since treatments and all this stuff, I notice the bad days hit harder. And I'm still feeling kind of that way. Last night I watched some YouTube videos and some good people, and wife made a great dinner, and I had no reason, but I turned it over and I went to bed, slept really good. But I don't know. It's just part of this lifestyle. And there's not every day's good, but there is something good in every day. And, we had a good, I didn't have reasons to be upset, but something inside of me or something in the world, in my world, was out of whack. So those days happen. We struggled through it. I did all the normal things that I try to do to get through it. And, well, hey, I got through it. So let's take our morning meds. Cheers. So let's move on to something positive, because I woke up today kind of feeling that same, kind of like a hangover, like an emotional hangover, and I don't want to stay there. But the wife ordered HelloFresh. Now, we're not sponsored or anything like that. Don't go, ooh. She had a coupon. She said, let's try it. This is what she made last night. So in case you don't know, you get this big cardboard box full of however many portions you want. She said we had 4 people in the house. This is what she made. It comes with all the ingredients, step-by-step instructions on how to do it. It was really good. Bear Cub actually said, Mom, this was awesome because I wouldn't have tried it if we were at a restaurant. So, thumbs up. She also ordered this one. So that looks pretty good. She ordered this one, which looks pretty good too. And then this is the last one. So she's really enjoying these. And then you've got these nice recipe cards that you can just keep in a folder, and the ones you like, you know, to order more. The ones you don't like, you don't order again. But you also have the recipe cards so you could go and buy the ingredients to make those yourself. So without that, so with that, let's try to find something good today.
Not that you care, but I think you're okay.
Oh yeah, that's still an issue. All right, let's see if we can find the nail or whatever's causing my leak. Look at all these like little pebbles and stuff. Okay, so upon initial inspection, popping out all the little rocks and stuff I could find, I don't really see anything. And then just where I thought, right here, y'all can see that right there. Looks like a nail. So that should be fixable, so let's get that out. So I don't know, so hopefully you guys can see this. Right there looks like my nail. That's it. That's the nail right there. Alright, now I know most of you probably already know this, but this is your basic tire repair kit. You got your reamer. What this does is makes the hole big enough for this tool. This is what you slide your repair gooey thread into. It goes into this, like that. Pull it through, just like thread and needle. This goes into the hole that the reamer made, and when you pull it out, it actually comes out this slot right here. This opens up and pulls out. Now, what I ran into at the first was I had this big piece. This was too big for my initial hole that the reamer, so I had to go to the smaller one. Once I went to the smaller one, it worked just fine. So keep that in mind. But that's a basic repair tool. So, yay! Took a nice little rest, laying in the spare room, on the spare bed. You know, while the wife's in the bed, office is in the bedroom now. This is the spare bedroom. Just got a good rest in. Just came up to kind of chillax, you know, chill out and relax. Listen to the birds, the road noise, and the fan. Put the hat over my eyes and just got comfortable and relaxed. I feel a whole lot better. I feel a lot better. Not saying it's the good part of the day, but I do feel better now. Okay, so real quick. I get out of the shower and the wife hands me this envelope from, and that is, so she's all excited, and I was like, what is this? No, I can't. There it goes. Boom. There's her degree, her diploma. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Hey! It worked! Fried bologna sandwich. Mama ordered cheesy chili cheese tots. Cheesesteak. Alright, so we went to dinner. Did a couple of little things the wife wanted to do. She's going kayaking tomorrow for the first time, and I guess that requires a new outfit. I don't know. But anyway, so we drove a little bit. Now we're just going to check to make sure the tire is still tight. Editing bear here. I seem to run into this quite often where I don't properly end the video. So that was my day. The emotional hangover went away after the nap and rest. Had a great time with the wife, and yeah, blessed day. So y'all be wonderful. Remember, there's something good. Every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. You guys are awesome. Rock on.